Hey everybody, Randall here again, and this is my 1986 Virago XV700. Well, recently I put some really nice LED turn signals on it, but as is the case with a lot of the older bikes and older cars, you need an LED specific relay to make this work. And through asking some questions on the Virago page on Facebook and my own deduction, I have come to figure out that the relay for the Virago goes through these two wires. So this is the hot wire here, and then the switch is on this wire. So I'm going to clip these two wires, and I am assuming this is the power which would be hooked up to this relay on V. I'm assuming this is battery and then L is load. So I'm going to turn the switch off, which it's off. And I'm going to clip those wires. I'm going to leave myself enough room that if I have to go back, I can. And I'm going to put crimp connectors on them. And we'll see if this works. I'm really hoping it does. Okay. Get this blue crimp connector here. Might have been able to go with smaller ones, but I'll do it with this for right now, and if it works, and I'll solder it, make sure we've got a good connection. Somebody needs to invest in a wire crimper. Okay, got a good connection there. Now I'm going to plug that into what I'm assuming is the battery side, which is B. Now I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm going to hook it into the L, or what I'm assuming is the load side. I'm hoping this is correct. Now this flasher is not only LED specific, you can also adjust the length and frequency of the flashes. That's what the eBay listing said. We'll see if it's correct. Alright. Use my dikes here to crimp this one. Alright. I'm going to plug that into that. Hopefully I won't burn this sucker up. We'll see what happens. Alright. Oh, we have flashing. Do we have it in the rear? Yes, we do. Alright, cool. We have flashing on that side. And we have flashing on that side. Cool. Alright, now let's make sure I didn't screw up my starter relay. everything works. All right. Cool. Okay, I got my relay all installed, and there was even a place to put an extra relay under here, so I mounted it right to there. I extended the wires out. The battery, or B, went to the solid brown wire that went into the original Virago turn signal relay. It was a hot wire. And then the switched wire, which was brown with a white stripe, goes to the load. Now everything works perfectly. I got turn signal on the right, turn signal on the left. I don't know if they cancel. I doubt that they will now, but I really don't care about that because half the time they didn't work anyway. But yeah, this is great. And you know, big thanks to Dave Smith in the Virago Nation Everything Virago forum that give me the leads on the schematic where I had to go and to get this all done. And now I have LED turn signals and everything's proper, and I don't need resistors. Cool.